sure about this?
Well, dear, I can't rightly say that I'm sure about anything, but it is something I feel like I need to do.
But I'll miss you, Anamush.
I know, Mamengwa, I'll miss you too, but sometimes a man's just got to do what his heart tells him to do. I love everyone here at the podcast, but it's time for me to make my own way in this world.
Have you told Nana Boozhoo?
No, not yet. And I'd appreciate it if you could keep this under your hat for a while, at least until I can speak to him personally. I owe him that much.
Oh, sure. I won't say anything.
All right then. Thank you, dear. Here it comes now. Because my love for you would break my heart. Morning, boss. Oh, hey there, Anamush. Mino Giga Jeb, how are you, my brother? Well, I'm just about rad as rain, sir. Just about as rad as rain. Hey there, Mamengwa. Mino Giga Jeb Nishime. Good morning, my little. Hey, what's the matter, my girl?
Nothing. I don't know anything about Anamush.
What now?
It's nothing. Let's just do the podcast, okay? I don't know anything. I don't. I just don't.
Oh, come on now. What is it? Why are you crying? What's going on, Anamush? Oh, for crying out loud. Well, I might as well tell you now. What? I was just telling Mamengwa here that I was planning on tendering my resignation from the show. You're a what now? Well, boss, I just wanted to say that I appreciate the opportunity you've afforded me under your employ, but I must resign from my position as Chief Technical Engineer of the Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo podcast. You're quitting? Yes, boss. I'm quitting the show. I can't thank you enough for this opportunity and all the great memories, but it's time I head out to see if I can't make it on my own out there.
But it's got nothing to do with you. I've got no one, still you won't do. And after today, I'd say we are quite through. But I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around, and you'll never regret. But one day, when I'm old and gray, I might look back and say, these were the golden days. One day, when I'm old and I'm gray, I might look back and say, this was the price I paid.
Oh, well, gee, I'm sure gonna miss you, Niji. But I guess you gotta do what you gotta do, eh?
Yeah, I'm gonna miss you too.
But to tell you the truth, I didn't even realize this was like, your actual job. Why do you think I always called you boss? I don't know. I thought it was like a nickname or something. Was I even paying you? Well, that's the other thing, quite frankly. I didn't feel quite right saying anything. I can tell by your shoes that you don't make much your own self, but I have yet to receive any compensation for my work. Oh, I see. Yeah, I don't blame you, Niji. I guess I haven't been much of a boss. Tell you what if I put up a Patreon account and I asked the viewers to support us? Do you think you'd reconsider leaving? Well, I don't know. It's not really about the money. Something tells me it's just time to see what else this big old world has to offer. You understand, don't you, boss?
Well, I don't understand it at all. I'm gonna miss you, Anamush.
Now so it goes, or so they say. Time's like a mountainscape. I don't know, but I can't complain. God knows I've got my own escape. Sometimes I just might, even in the middle of the night. Sometimes, someday, sometimes I wake and bake. back and say, these were the golden days. One day when I'm old and I'm gray, I might look back and say, this was the price I paid.
I know, Mamengua, but we'll stay in touch. You got a Facebook page?
No.
Well, maybe you should get a Facebook page. Tell you what, Anamush, give me 2 weeks. Let's just see if anyone signs up first. If nobody does, we'll do one last Boozhoo Nano Boozhoo and quit the show altogether. Well, I don't want you to quit the show. Hey, if people sign up, we won't have to. But if nobody does, then we kind of have to ask ourselves why we're doing this at all. Okay then, 2 weeks, boss. Let's make it great. You gonna be okay, Mamengua?
Yeah, I'm okay. Should we get started?
Okay then, you wanna set us up, Anamush? I'd be delighted, sir. Mamengua, can you give me a check 1 2, check 1 2?
Check 1 2, check 1 2.
Boss, can you give me the same? Check 1 2, check 1 2. All right, level set. Quiet in the studio, please. Cueing music in 3, 2. Boozhoo ni Janashinabe Doog. Welcome back to Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Nana Boozhoo, and our Ojibwe word for today, Junia. Niwi ea, Junia. I want some money, eh?